So, welcome back, Remodelites. I'm Dave with Remodel Media. I'm here at KBiS 2025. I'm here in Las Vegas. We're talking to John and Chad here with Covered Bridge Cabinetry. And, well, guys, who are you? Where'd you get your start? Where are you from?
Hey Dave, I'm John Lindekins. I'm the VP of Sales and Marketing for Covered Bridge Cabinetry. I've been with the company for about 4 years.
Mhm. All right. And where is Covered Bridge based out of, and how did they get their start? Everybody's got an origin story. What's yours?
Absolutely, sure. So we're out in northern New Jersey, and our origin is basically we were a brand within FGI, who's our parent company, and one of our original customers had asked us if we could modify cabinets from vanities and become actual kitchen cabinets. So we looked into that and became a nice opportunity for us to develop that.
So yeah, I guess our origins were during the RTA boom. The founder of our company decided to, rather than chase the bottom with RTA product, go the other direction and wanted to do a really high quality custom product. So they set out to create Covered Bridge, which was a high quality, competitively priced brand from Asia.
Okay. All right.
That was 2010.
Now, one key difference that somebody told me earlier, and you can talk a little bit more about this, is you guys make your own doors. Is that right?
Yeah, we manufacture all of our doors. Yep. So my background is in the custom component industry. So we've taken all of my experience and put that into our doors. We do a full 5/8 mortise and tenon on our mortise and tenon doors. Our miter doors are some of the best in the industry. You see very, very little of the typical cracking or splitting on the inside.
That's awesome. Now, for folks at home that might be wondering why I asked that question, it's very important to note that most brands out there that you're aware of, they don't make their own doors. They make boxes and they buy doors and stick them on. So having one company that does it all is actually not common.
Yeah, actually, if it's made from wood, we manufacture it. Yeah, we don't buy much from anybody at all. We like to make our own stuff.
Tell me something about this display that we're looking at here.
This is becoming quite a popular feature. It's pocket doors. So like here you can see doors open up, they roll back, and
that's slick.
Pretty nice option there to have the wash machine and dryer inside the cabinet, totally concealed. Our paint, this is our enamel paint. You can see that the finish is beautiful. It's smooth. You don't see the joints. We don't use wet mill gauges or nothing like that. We make sure we put enough paint on so that you have a beautiful finish. It's smooth to the touch. You don't see any joints. No expense spared when it comes to the paint.
Now, something else somebody also said to me was, if somebody can draw it, you can build it. Is that pretty accurate?
Yeah, pretty much. So our spec book is 720 pages. But that's really just the beginning. So if somebody wants to do modifications with existing cabinetry, we have all sorts of different modifications to accommodate that. If there's something that's outside of those, then we have the process in which we can generate engineered drawings for customer approval and then go from there to final manufacturing.
All right. And the reason I bring that point up, folks, if you're watching at home, is a lot of your custom cabinet lines that you see out there. If you go to your big box retailer and you order custom cabinets, I mean, they are custom in the sense that they're making them just for you, but they're only going to be available in usually like 3 or 6 inch increments. So, 30, 36, 18, etc. So having a cabinet company that can make a cabinets that's 19 3/4 or whatever, instead of having filler gaps in your kitchen, because nobody's got a square kitchen. Nobody has a perfectly exactly 6-foot space. There's always gaps and imperfections in the home building process. And so you can actually make full use of all your space when you go with a cabinet company that actually manufactures all their cabinets.
A great example of what you were just talking about is something like you see here, where we take an existing cabinet and add a pull-out that has hanging trays for hangers.
Awesome. Now I saw around the corner we got like a little man cave. Should we go check that out real quick?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. All right. So tell me a little bit about what we're looking at here.
Yeah, so this is our gentleman's retreat. Just a take on, a poker room area, someplace that you'd want to come and have a cigar or play cards with friends.
So I saw this little piece in here. This is actually really interesting. We got a humidor.
Yeah, absolutely. So what the idea was, again, where do you want to hang out when you're at home? So you want to hang out someplace that you're comfortable, where you can have your mementos or keep your wine or whatever. Of course, people love their cigars. So what we've done is we have a 2-layer humidor here where you can actually store your cigars and the like. So additionally, we also have trays for, since it is a poker table, we want to be able to keep the poker chips as well. So.
And this is, now the interesting thing here is I was told this was a custom job as well. So somebody drew it, you guys built it, and it's not a standard catalog option. So if I have a precious collection of snow globes that I want to preserve and display or something like that, or I don't know, Batman figurines or whatever it is.
If you have specific sizes that you need to account for it, then absolutely we can make it to what you need.
This whole display is all stock SKUs that have been modified to get this look, right? So you can see these are, drawer banks. These are shelves that we do. Another drawer bank, shelf, cabinet. They've taken accessories and cabinetry, put them together with other cabinets, and then put them in between basically columns and furniture shelves to get the look of this. Mixing and matching the colors. You can see this is a matching interior.
Yeah,
and then we have the two-tone where you have matching wood species but different color on the outside.
That was something that also came up earlier when I was talking to somebody is you guys do two-tone cabinets. So the reason that jumped out to me, folks at home, is usually when you order cabinets, like I said, at your big box retailer or whatever, and you do get a colored interior, it's just going to be whatever this color is. So here it is completely customizable. Again, if I want bright Remodel Media blue right here, I can do that.
Or it's a standard natural made by birch.
That's terrific. Guys, is there anything I forgot to ask that you want to tell me about?
No, we're excited that you stopped by and love to talk to your folks more.
All right. Thank you, folks.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.